do you think you got on there?
Get over underneath this line, Cole. Get underneath this line.
Hold on to that line. What do you...
I never knew a fish could be so strong. Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
Ooh. I got it. Ooh. Catfish.
All right.
Ooh.
Good job, buddy.
And you've been playing with worms all day, huh?
I know. Okay, grab down lower. Grab down lower and hold it up. Grab the line lower.
Yeah, hold it this way.
Watch out for those.
Hold it this way. So you get
I got it. Watch out for those barbs. There's barbs in there.
Okay. Put this hand on the bottom.
Bottom?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to take a video.